Alright guys, I'm gonna start my dad's Bobcat, move it back in the area where it was. It's been sitting there since yesterday. Leaked a ton of oil underneath there, I see. I don't know why. I guess that's just a skid loader for you. Checked the oil, it's full. I didn't check the gas, but oh well. Let's see if I know how to run the choke this time and get her started. So this is a cold start kinda for a carburetor. Sorry for the bad view. Oh, that one's got a cab on it, so hard to get into. Alright, there's the throttle. Oh, this thing hates me. Why does this thing hate me? Whoop, blew up. All I had to do is move it back. She don't like to be choked as much as mine. So that's... There goes a combine by. Sorry you guys couldn't see very good. It's... Lights are bad. Yeah. Loves a leak. She's leaky. I didn't move it over far enough. Ah, he can mess with it. Let's get out of the way because I got to do some sweeping here and stuff. But yeah, she does not like me. Shame on you, dumb thing. Yeah, the choke is different on every one of them. Well, there we go. There was a kind of a cold start on a, and I must have flooded it, but that's my dad's 610 Bobcat 1980. So, and there's the 240, is it? I think, or I can't remember. The John Deere. That one, the starter's out on it. That's why it's sitting back there, because we're gonna work on it this winter and put a new starter in where it's warm and, you know, fix her up. We had it sitting there and I moved it back there. I was lucky the starter even started, and now the starter don't do nothing. So that was good. That's why we parked it in inside anyway. There we go. That thing smells like flooded out carbureted. Ugh, it stinks in here. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter.